Hello everyone, welcome to another Gridcoin tutorial video. I'm Delta, a member of the Gridcoin community, and today I'm going to show you some different security features within your wallet and how to protect your wallet. When you first install the Gridcoin wallet, you'll find that your wallet is unencrypted. This means that it is not protected with a password. In order to protect it with a password, click Settings and then click Encrypt Wallet. Enter a passphrase and then repeat it and then click OK. It is recommended that you have your password with 10 or more digits and have it as a complex password and not something very simple or something personal to you, such as your date of birth. Always make it something obscure and something that's complex. So I'm going to type in a password of my own. Okay, we click OK. It'll give you a warning. Make sure you remember this password, otherwise you will not be able to access your coins. Now, the wallet will finish the encryption process, which means that it will have to restart. Now that we've restarted the wallet, we now see a new icon in the bottom left that says Unlock Wallet. Because our wallet is now encrypted, we need to use the password we created in order to send our cryptocurrency. So let's unlock our wallet. You'll find that it asks you for your passphrase, but also whether to unlock for staking only. Now, this is important. You must always make sure that this setting is checked. For staking only means that you can leave your Gridcoin wallet unattended and to stake with your coins without having to worry about anyone trying to remove them from your wallet. Let me go and show you what that means. So I'm going to unlock my wallet for staking only. Okay, the wallet is successfully unlocked. Let's try sending some coins. Okay, we're going to send 10 coins. And you find that it asks you for your password. This is the important thing about for staking only. It means that in order to send coins, you will have to put in your password. The steps that I have just showed you are the best way to keep your Gridcoin wallet secure. However, it is a common issue that people leave their wallet fully unlocked. What this means is, when they go to unlock their wallet, they uncheck this box here. What this means is people can send cryptocurrency out of your wallet without having to type in a password. Make sure this is always checked when you unlock your wallet. Another good security point is to make sure that you do not have a remote desktop program active on the current computer. A remote desktop program is a program on the computer that allows you to remotely connect to the desktop of your computer. It is a common way that hackers can access your computer and steal your cryptocurrency. But if you complete all of the security steps I have outlined in this video, you can be assured that your grid coins will most likely be safe. Stay safe and happy crunching.